Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to trim your video in a YouTube video editor. First of all, you need to be on this page, which is a YouTube Studio. To be in YouTube Studio, you need to click your icon on the top corner right, go down to YouTube Studio, which should be around here, click it, and then you should be in a YouTube Studio page, and you click Content, and then Content, you click the video you want to edit. So I'm going to choose this one for now. Then you click Editor, all right, and when you click Editor, you're going to click Trim. There you go, and then you trim. The trimming starts at the blue line. So there you go. You can trim over here. You can trim at the end as well. You can trim in the middle. To trim in the middle, you just bring the cursor. You just click wherever you want to go. You just click split, and you trim and you trim. You go over here, split, and you trim and you trim. See, that's very simple. You can split over here too. And then when you're satisfied with your thing, your trimming, you bring your cursor to the beginning and you listen to everything. You see if you like it, right? So you just play. You get this notification. As you notice, the cursor it jumped from there to here because this has been trimmed, this area. So you won't hear you will not get to hear what I say over here, right? So that's okay. You get this notification, this error. Searched it, and I couldn't find the answer. But look, it's your antivirus over here that sometime may. Okay, right click here. So there, like this. So yeah, so basically what it's gonna do, it's gonna, once you're satisfied with your trimming. Oh, one thing, if you trim the end of your video and you have the end screen over here, like the subscription and whatever, you have to bring it backward like this, because if you don't do this, when you save it, it will not approve it. So that's why you have to bring it backward. Okay. And I forgot to mention you something. Sorry about that. Edit trim. I go edit trim. Okay, so what I want to show you is like when you're satisfied with everything, you just click preview, boom, and then you can play your entire video, of course. And if you're satisfied with everything, you just click save. But I'm not going to save it because it's going to cut everything. So yeah, so that's pretty much how you trim. Oh, but one more thing: when you trim, apparently you cannot add blur, you cannot add soundtrack or anything. So the YouTube video editor, you can only either do trim or either do the blur or either do, like what I mean, it doesn't allow you to do multiple tasks over one another. I don't know why. That's YouTube editor. So I just want to let you know in advance before you trim. So if you want to add blur, which is more important, then I suggest that you add blur. If you want to do multiple tasks, then I suggest that you bring your entire video into a professional, well, not a Adobe Premiere Pro or anything, that resemble to that, or even Window Movie Maker if you have it, the old version, like Window Movie Maker. I use that sometime and I still have it, because you can actually, do multiple tasks on it. But in this guy, you can only do either the trimming or either the YouTube blur or either the adding the audio. You understand? Well, adding the audio, I'm not so sure if I'm not. I haven't tried to add the audio after I trimmed a video, but I'm pretty sure it will refuse me because that's the way it is with YouTube Editor. So I hope you like what you hear. If there's anything you want to ask me, please leave a question in my comment section. I'll answer them to you as soon as I can. And please like and subscribe. All right, guys? Thanks. Peace.